Welcome to the AI Renaissance channel. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the way we work, offering innovative solutions and creating new avenues for income generation. From automating routine tasks to providing insightful data analysis, AI's capabilities are vast and varied. In this article, we explore 8 practical ways in which AI can be harnessed to generate income. 1. Automated content creation. AI tools for content generation are transforming the world of digital media. Platforms like OpenAI's GPT-3 enable the creation of high-quality written content, from blog posts to articles, at an unprecedented pace. By leveraging these tools, writers can enhance their productivity and offer services like SEO-optimized content creation, thereby monetizing their skills more efficiently. Though this can't do 100% of the work for you, it could easily be a tool to use if you are a social media manager. 2. AI in stock market trading. Stock market trading can be significantly augmented using AI algorithms. These sophisticated programs analyze vast amounts of financial data to predict stock trends and make informed trading decisions. Entrepreneurs can create subscription-based platforms offering AI-driven stock advice, or develop custom trading algorithms for individual clients, opening up lucrative opportunities in the fintech sector. 3. E-commerce and retail enhancements. AI is a game changer in the e-commerce and retail industry. From personalizing customer recommendations to optimizing inventory management, AI tools enhance the shopping experience and operational efficiency. By developing or consulting on AI tools for retailers, tech professionals can tap into a rapidly growing market, helping businesses leverage AI for increased sales and customer satisfaction. Amazon sellers are using AI, including ChatGPT, to search for the best products to sell. 4. AI-driven web design and development. The realm of web design has been revolutionized by AI, with tools capable of automating layout design and content optimization. This not only speeds up the development process, but also opens up new avenues for income through AI-driven web development services. These services can cater to businesses looking to enhance their online presence with minimal human intervention. 5. Virtual assistants and chatbots. AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots are becoming indispensable in customer service and business operations. Developing and managing these AI solutions for businesses can be a significant source of income. This niche involves creating customized chatbot solutions for websites, social media platforms, and customer service portals. With many options to choose from like Google Bard, ChatGPT, and Jasper, there is surely one to do what you need. 6. AI in education and online learning. In the education sector, AI can personalize learning experiences and automate tasks like grading. There's a growing demand for AI software that can adapt to individual learning styles, making education more effective and accessible. Developing educational AI software or providing consulting services to educational institutions presents a unique opportunity for income in this sector. 7. AI in art and graphic design. AI is not just about data and algorithms. It's also making waves in the creative world. AI-generated art and AI-assisted graphic design are new frontiers in the creative industry. Artists and designers can use AI to create unique artworks or enhance their design processes, selling AI-generated art or offering AI-assisted design services. Make sure to look at ChatGPT, Jasper AI, DALL-E, and Midjourney. In conclusion, the potential of AI in generating income is vast and varied, spanning multiple industries and professional disciplines. As AI continues to evolve, staying informed and adaptable will be key to harnessing its full potential for income generation. The future belongs to those who can creatively integrate AI into their work and business models. Thank you for watching this episode of AI Renaissance. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time.